Mendagasengi kalai pui tarik ulber arhajar pulai ke Saint Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpo kala penhap perdano ia ka Interhouse Athletic Meet arhajar pulai ka baat sengi Hamadan NSCA paham sim. Ya kane ke sengi lawan ban sakhi da uba Meral Bonds im MLA Nongpo constituency kum ukongsan urang ba shnong ka shnong paham sim uba Jedwin Lingdo haka jingdon lang kikmi kikpa kinong hikai pat kinong penia jong kane ke school. Hakane ka Interhouse Athletic Meet arhajar pulai jong ka Saint Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpo layo bandra ya ka nam ladu daka Blue House haka kerdan baar daka Red House bat haka kerdan balai daka Yellow House.
It is a proud moment for me to be here today in the midst of such a beautiful gathering where children, students exhibit their skill and talent through this annual athletic meets we have today. So I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to all the students, to the teachers who are here, who have devoted yourself towards the betterment of the student of Saint Paul Higher Secondary School as well as the student of Nongpo and Riboi District as a whole. It is the time where the student we have to dedicate ourselves in studies. It is a time where all the students we have to dedicate ourselves towards to be a good human being, to respect the teachers, to respect the parents, to respect the elders, as well as to be a good sports person in days to come. I am proud as a legislator of Nongpo, representing beautiful land of Riboi District, where we have witnessed in the past many students who have passed out and they have performed very well, be it at the inter-house in their own school, be it at athletic meets organized by the Office of the District Sports Officer, be it at a different level in the athletic meets conducted by Meghalaya Athletics Association. We have witnessed in the past that many students, many sportspersons, many athletes Riboi District has produced. They have brought laurel toward our district by winning medals, by winning trophies in different levels, be it at the district level or be it at the state level. Today we witness here on this beautiful day, on the closing day of the annual athletic meet inter-house of Saint Paul Higher Secondary School. I wish the students all the best, and I wish the teachers who are here together with us, despite of so many difficulties that you have been through, but you render your service for the student at large. I would like to wish the principal of the school, sister, in days to come, Saint Paul Higher Secondary School, it's not behind in performing in different academic record within the state. Saint Paul has produced good students who are brilliant, who are dedicated, who are sincere in the duties, and I hope in the days to come, in the different level, in the SSLC examination, in HSSC examination, that the student of Saint Paul Higher Secondary School, they will do well in future. And we would like to see that more students, they will perform. They will make Saint Paul Higher Secondary School proud. They will make their parents proud. They will make their locality proud. Nisau sarong bahagi por kibaladem Saint Paul Higher Secondary School kelaju penmi ya ki kena school kibalapas bah hagi exam hagi SSLC kumjuru hagi Higher Secondary Living School Certificate examination. But ngikit pokir yang ya ki kena school baro ki barang hab banile exam ki prepare ki jumpi ba pinangla banile ha nagapor shagapor ni kenturu ya ki kena school ki bi ki jungi bangin kiar na ki jumlin ki basniu hamtam ki jing di duma ki jing pam kwai ki jing pam ki jarda ki khoini ki jing di drop ni haban kiar lailung laiwa lagi di ki jing sniu ni sibun ki kena school hagajuk ka pemerintah nilai lag na ki babun ki kam ki bha ki kimi ki pa ki jongpi ki pa school lipi don ki longying ki baduk ki bahap bandiang da karam kesya ban penbiang ya ki bai school ban penbiang ya ki uniform ban penbiang ya ki bai kot namar kata atongin buram ya ki kimi ki pa ki bala kesyan na ka banta jongpi kena school ki bi pin buram bat pin pendan buram ya kina hikai ki bi ki jumpi ki bala ai ki bala psut ki sembok ki jeng nang jeng sta pring jumpi ba pin kiu saprang sakmat dongin long ki kena school ki betip sri ki banang la ban kiu saprang sakmat hai ki jeng im ki banang wan manda ka sangi ki la sakhi ya ki jeng le kai athletics ka ba itanan nilai i ki tuki nilai yo ban pet ya ke really 4 into 1 4 into 4 kaba itna hadu kata bang ikit bok ke yang iki student kadon gawi ke quote kaba ong hakitin pareng run when you can walk if you have to crawl if you must just never give up unquote namar kata ikna school ke bi ni dei ban trisitong what nom inok siteng ti what not give up kala bende ha ka jingle kai athletics kala bende ke jing marathon kala bende ke jing pule himde ban give up lane ban inok siteng ti pide ban poi sadu clear jong ke jing job ikan mau ya ke kentin ke jong u Swami Vivekananda kaba paro ngijukan mau kaba ong arise awake and do not stop until you achieve your goal. Kalau nggak bakong san, kung ikna school gibi, bapinang treasure.